do you think? What do you think of that? Oh my.
I was so positive.
You were so positive you're going to get that puppy? What do you think?
Hey, those claws are scratchy.
He's a little scratchy, huh?
It's okay. That's fine. I just love it. Hey, let's go take a look at the face.
What's your puppy's
It
name?
looks like a cheetah.
What's your puppy's name? Poco.
Poco.
Can you hold this for a second and help Zoe? Here, hold it. Oh. Hi, Poco.
Poco. Hey, Poco. You know you're going to your own family now?
Oh, you're so
Can I feed the dog?
Yeah.
Me too.
There's one for you. Say Poco and then hold it out.
Poco. Poco.
Should we take it to the grandparents and let them play?
Okay, I guess he doesn't want it right now. Not ready? I think he's not. I think Poco.
Might be a different treat he's not used to yet.
Good job.
Now,
He loves
Should we take him to Grandma and Grandpa's?
Yes.
I'm gonna hold him and then we're gonna drive over there. So cute.
Oh, Poco.
Hey, let me take this baby.
I
You're so sweet.
I kissed him. I kissed the Poco.
Come here, baby. Oh, he wants Zoe.
He licked me.
He did not want to let Zoe.